Hello friends, today is 27 May 2020. So we are going to discuss 20 May current affairs, daily current affairs. So let's start. So this is our channel for Techno Education. So let's crack with us. So for SSC, UPSI, UP Plus, Lekpal, UPSC, PET. So we are going to discuss. So we are here for you to provide the important recent and latest current affairs of 27 May 2020, which have unique updates of the latest current affairs 2020 events from all the newspapers such as the Hindu, the Economic Times, the Times of India, PTI, the Indian Express, Business Standard, and all government office websites. So our current affairs May 2020 event will help you to get more marks in banking, insurance, SSSC, railway, UPSC, CLAT, CLAT, and all state government exam. Also try our latest current affairs quiz and monthly current affairs quiz. So just we are going to discuss one. So BC top 15 current affairs 27 May 2020. So the first is national current affairs, national affairs. So the national affairs is that the Chardham project, the border BRO construct the 440-meter long tunnel below the Chamba town in Uttarakhand. So the border road organization. So we see our minister is here with our soldiers in Chamba tunnel. Now this is our minister Nitin Gadkari. So we see in a big boost to Chardham project to connect holy town of the Gangotri, Kedarnath, Yamunotri, and Badrinath. So the border road organization has conducted a 440-meter long tunnel under the Chamba town on the Rishikesh Dharasu road highway and National Highway 94. So in Uttarakhand, even during the coronavirus COVID-19 epidemic. So the long tunnel being constructed under the Chardham Mahamarg Vikas Pariyojana using the Austrian technology will be ready for the traffic by the month of October 2020, around 3 months ahead of its scheduled date of the completion of the January 2021. About border road, if we see about the border road organization, what is the border road organization? So border road organization is a government organization which conduct the road near the border or the border affairs roads. See all the affairs related to the roads in borders. See all the problem is handled by the border road organization. So the headquarter of the border road organization in New Delhi, and the Director General of the border road organization, Lieutenant General Harpal Singh. So if we see international affairs, so nowadays the US left out strike surveillance treaty due to the non-compliance of the Russian towards treaty. So nowadays US is fighting with the coronavirus, although all the country in the world fight against the coronavirus. So in the middle of this, the US to pull out the open skies treaty. So US submitted a notice to its decision to withdraw from the treaty on open skies to the treaty deported to Canada and Hungary. So and all the other states party to the treaty. So it is a treaty of 34 nations with 35th Kazakhstan and sign out but not ratified it. So it enables them to operate the unarmed aerial surveillance flights over the entire territory of its participation. So it should be noted that India is not a part of this treaty. So if we see about US, so we see the US capital. So the capital of the US is Washington DC, and the currency, the United States dollar, is US dollar, and we see the president Donald John Trump. So if we see about Russia, so Russia, the Moscow capital is the Moscow. Moscow is the capital of the Russia. If we see the currency is the Russian ruble. If we see the Russia's president Vladimir Putin, recently they came to India. So if we see the banking finance news related the 27 May 2020. So LIC launched the modified PM BI Bandhana Yojana pension. LIC launched modified PM BI Bandhana Yojana pension. Bharatiya Jeevan Bima LIC. So this is Pradhan Mantri BI Bandhana Yojana excluded by senior citizen, plan number 8040 UIN. So 8% per annum effective yield for the monthly pension according to 8.3 per annum. So what is the scheme of Prime Minister Vyah Bandhana Yojana? So in this scheme, ABC Life Insurance Corporation of the India LIC announced the launch of the Pradhan Mantri Vyah Bandhana Yojana PMBVY modified 2020 scheme for those over the 60 years old. So the people who are above the 60 years old, they get benefited by this scheme of the government. So the sale will be available from May 26 for 3 financial year up to March 31, 2023. About LIC, ABC about LIC. So the corporate office of the LIC Mumbai, Maharashtra. The chairman M.R. Kumar. So this is the chairman of the LIC, M.R. Kumar. So this is the important question regarding UPSSC or UPSI or like exam. UPSC is related some facts like Maruti Suzuki partners with the ICICI Bank to provide retail finance scheme to customers. So this is a recent news where Maruti Suzuki is coop up with the ICICI Bank. Due to pandemics, all the customers reduced drastically. So the Maruti Suzuki think about the partnership with the ICICI Bank to provide retail financing to the Maruti Suzuki's customer. So on 26 May 2020, Maruti Suzuki India Limited (MSIL) announced its partnership with ICICI Bank to offer retail financing scheme to its customers. ICICI Bank offer a flexible EMI scheme, allowing the customer to pay minimum EMI initially to support them in liquidity stress during COVID-19 situation. So we see about the Maruti Suzuki. So the chairman of the Maruti Suzuki R.C. Bhargava and the MD and CEO Kanichi Ayukawa. The head office of the Maruti Suzuki is in New Delhi. So about ICICI Bank MD and CEO Sandeep Bakshi. The ICICI Bank's MD and CEO Sandeep Bakshi. So we see the economic business. So Indian GDP growth is expected to reach 1.5% in fourth quarter fiscal year 2020. So SBI EcoBrep report. So we see the report of the SBI, which is recently launched by the State Bank of India. So the State Bank of India says the Indian GDP in the fourth quarter of fiscal year 2020 1.5%, 1.2%. So according to the State Bank of India, SBI EcoBrep reports India's gross domestic product GDP is estimated to grow at 1.2% in the last quarter of fiscal year 20 as economic activity came into halt since last week of the March due to the nationwide lockdown. About if we see about SBI, so this is the State Bank of India. This is the owned by Government of India. So if we see the headquarter Mumbai, Maharashtra. If we see the chairman of the SBI, so this is Rajnish Kumar. So the news recently, this news is also in very hot news. So REC Ltd ties up with the TajSATS to provide the nutrients meal to the medical staff in New Delhi. So this is the TajSATS, and this the ABC. This is the Taj REC Limited ties up with the TajSATS to provide the nutrients meals. So this is REC Endless Energy Infinity Possibilities. So this is the power sector company. So REC is already providing the cooked meals and ration to the needy across the nation in the collaboration with the various district authorities, so NGO and electricity distribution company. So if we see about REC is a state-run non-banking finance company focusing on power factor financing and the developing across India. If we see here is the headquarters of the REC. So this is in New Delhi, the headquarters of the REC. If we see the chairman, so chairman and managing director of the REC is Ajit Kumar Agarwal. If we see the TajSATS, so with the headquarters of the TajSATS in New Delhi and the chief operating officer CEO the Sagar Denge. So now coming to the next slides. So this is the award and recognition. So Indian Army Major, this is a very important news for the India and very good news of the India. So if we see the Indian Army Major Suman Gawani becomes the first Indian peacekeeper to receive UN Military Gender Advocate Award 2019. So we see this is the Suman Gawani. So UN Gender Advocate Award. So we see the officer and woman peacekeeper Suman Gawani become the first Indian lady to receive United Nations Military Gender Advocate of the Year Award 2019. So the Brazilian naval officer commander Carla Monteiro de Castro Argio has also been selected to the prestigious awards. So we see the award. The award is underpinned by the principle outlined in the United Nations Security Council resolution UNSCR 1325 and follow on the resolution and women, peace and security. So this is the IBM scientist Rajiv Joshi, inventor of the year award. So inventor of the year award goes to the Rajiv Joshi, which is a scientist of the IBM. So Dr. Rajiv Joshi won the inventor of the year award. So we see about the Rajiv Joshi. So IBM Academy of the Technology member Dr. Rajiv Joshi won the New York Intellectual Property Law Commission NYIPLA 2020 Inventor of the Year award to honor for his work in advancing the electronic industry and improving artificial intelligence and capabilities. So he received the award through the online interview. So this is about NYIPLA. If we see the New York Intellectual Property Law Association, so the New York in Intellectual Property Law Association's president is Coleman B. Rajan. BC President of NYIPLA, the Robert M. Caxon. BC establishment of the New York Intellectual Property Law Association in March 7, 1922. So next we are going to the next slide. So this is the science and technology related news. So researchers of the INST found a route to fabricate a precisely controller a nanostructure of the desired geometry and location of the 2D materials. So this is the nanotech. So INST, Indian of Nanoscience and Technology. So we see this news. So researchers team by Dr. Kiran Hazara of the Institute of Nanoscience and Technology INST Mohali, an autonomous institute under the Department of Science and Technology, found a innovation route of the fabricates precisely controlled nanostructure of the required geometry and location of the two-dimensional 2D material using a one-step low power laser writing process. So the approaches used so far with the synthesis of the complex morphologies limit the potential is being used to large area substrates. About ABC about INST. So INST is director Amit Patra with the location or Mohali, Punjab. So the next news is that the Mumbai-based startup BAMS Global Developers World's contactless visitor management software BMS Safeguard. So this is not I think more important news related to this our exam. So we see the next slide. So this is a very important news. And we see the renowned जो श्यामला भावे passes abyss at 76. So this is the Carnatic classical vocal Shyamala Bhabe. This is a very famous Carnatic classical vocal instrumental. So noticed classical musician the Shyamala Ji Bhabe, who was well versed in both the Hindustani and Carnatic style, passed away at the age of 26 on May 23, 2020 in Bangalore, Karnataka. She was born on March 14, 1941 in Bangalore, Karnataka. So about Karnataka, if the see the Karnataka, the capital of the Karnataka, Bangalore, if see the Chief Minister of the same, B.S. Yedurappa. So we are going to the this is governor of the Karnataka is Bajubhai Bala. So if we see the state news, this is the state news from the Srinagar. So SKIMS, this is a company in Srinagar, gets its first of its kind infectious disease block facilities. So this is the news related to the SKIMS. You can read this. So if we see about SKIMS, so if we see the director of the SKIMS, Dr. A.G. Angar, the dean of the C, Dr. Omar Javed Shah. So next I am going to the Tamil Nadu news. So Tamil Nadu starts the implementation of the solar-based farmland protection program. So in this picture we see that what is the solar fence farmland protection program. So this is the initiative of the Tamil Nadu government. So on 25 May 2020, the government of Tamil Nadu started the preliminary works on the implementing the solar fence farmland protection program under the Central Agriculture Improvement Scheme. So this scheme is to protect the agricultural lands and districts which have been Western Ghats as their boundary and are at risk of the animal imprint attacks. So about Tamil Nadu Industries Investment Corporation TIIC. If we see about the TIIC, Tamil Nadu Industrial Investment Corporation. So the chairman of the TIIC, the M. Murugandanam. We see the managing director Dr. M. Arthi, establishment in the 1949 and head office is Chennai. So we are going to the next news. So Uttarakhand CM Rawat presented rupees 53,052.7 crore budget for the fiscal year 2021. 25 public welfare goals in focus. So this is Uttarakhand CM Rawat. So total expenditure for the financial 2020 estimated rupees 53,000 crore. So revenue surplus of the rupees 49.66 crore is expected, while the fiscal deficit is estimated at rupees 7,459 crore. So the ratio of the fiscal deficit to gross state domestic product GSDP is 2.57%, which is within the 3% prescribed limit of the Fiscal Responsibility and Budget Management FRBM Act. So if we see about Uttarakhand, so Uttarakhand capital Dehradun, Garrison summer. So the state bird Himalayan monal, state animal elephant musk deer. So this is the also a news AC Grage. So we see the Hunar Haat, which is also locally held in Delhi. So flagship initiative Hunar Haat by the Ministry of Affairs. Ministry will make a comeback in the September 2020 with the theme local to global, which is a platform to restrains craftsmen from the various part of the country to showcase their art and craft to the generate employment on master crafts people. If we see the voice bot TIA WhatsApp launched the Tata Capital. So Tata Capital private non-banking financial company has launched a voice bot TIA on WhatsApp. So the voice bot offers a range of service to its consumer, like opting for a new loan or getting queries, resolving etc. to provide seamless and interact service on the widely used messaging platform like WhatsApp. So we see a song title Jayatu 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 Bharatam Vasudev Kutumbakam penned by the Prasun Joshi. So a song titled Jayatu Jayatu Bharatam Vasudev Kutumbakam was released. The song lyric penned by the Prasun Joshi and composed by the Shankar Madhavan. As many as 2011 singer involved like legendary singer Lata Mangeshkar to increase the nation's willpower and evoke the spirit of the self-reliance in the difficult time COVID-19 pandemic. So this is the total BC in this 10 to 12 LPC there is only 16 news, actually 70 news. So this is 70 BC and this is the short BC. This is the short, this is the write this in the short form, so you can read this from this. So thank you so much. This is the today's news. Thank you.